Real people, real voices. Panos Caribbean. People are at the heart of Panos Caribbean. People telling their stories in their own voices.
I am not you. You are not me. And we are not in their shoe.
Panos Caribbean has been working in the region since its inception in 1986.
I can see definitely where Panos has impacted significantly. Those persons whose issues would have been overlooked.
They have gone into local communities to get people more integrally involved in understanding a variety of issues with which they're faced, and then having those particular people play a role in coming up with solutions.
People have rights, and we help make their voices heard. This helps raise awareness about their issues and get those issues addressed.
Well, I've been a Panos Youth journalist since I was 15. I currently write for the Portmore Sun paper and also the Gleaner. I was really nervous, afraid to do public speaking. Now I can speak more fluently.
Our Own Voices is our youth journalism program which helps young people in different countries in the Caribbean get their voices heard.
As a youth journalist representing Panos, we did a lot of public service announcements, radio programs, a lot of interviews. After doing this program, I find myself wanting to talk, protect the rights of children, speak out for them. Not all of them can speak to the public and let the public know what's affecting them.
Jacmel, a rural town in Haiti, is one of the main areas in that country where we carry out our work with children and young people. Our young journalists in St. Lucia are also showing much growth since the establishment of a youth journalism group there in late 2010. Panos Caribbean's health communications program covers all aspects of public health with special focus on HIV and AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria.
I have worked in the coverage of HIV/AIDS for some 11 or so years now, but I did not quite grasp all the issues associated with the disease until I was exposed to training from Panos Caribbean.
We have published reporting guides on HIV and AIDS to help journalists better understand HIV and AIDS and encourage responsible reporting on the issue.
They'll seek to not necessarily criticize everything that is done in the media, but come alongside to guide.
The book is now a recommended text for 2 media courses at the Caribbean Institute of Media and Communication, CARIMAC. We have also turned the spotlight on HIV prevention, treatment and care in Jamaican prisons. In 2008, Panos Caribbean produced No Sex or Condoms Here. A similar publication was done in Haiti. Panos Caribbean's large network of writers within the Caribbean and North America has produced numerous articles and in-depth reports on public health issues in the Caribbean. We sometimes partner with other Panos institutes around the world to carry out these projects. We have also taken a keen interest in the way the people interact with their environment and how this affects the balance of nature.
We're seeing increased climate impact, and that's why Panos is really trying to focus on getting public education messages out in the communities, in the towns and across the island.
Panos, with several other partners, has run an innovative public education program on climate change featuring popular and upcoming reggae artists. Panos Caribbean has also impacted the lives of people at the grassroots community level, especially in Moko Clarendon. Farmers in that rural district have learned and adopted environmentally friendly farming techniques. They collected oral testimonies from community members which were published in the book Voices from Moko in 2007. Caribbean, which was officially launched in October 2010, was created to engage Caribbean people more in the governance and management of the natural resources in the region. Caribbean, which means Our Caribbean, is a new alliance formed among 3 regional NGOs, including Panos Caribbean, to support environmental sustainability in the region. Panos has also coordinated at least 3 Caribbean journalists each year to attend the annual UN Climate Change Conference globally. Panos Caribbean highlights gender norms in the Caribbean and their impact by engaging the voices of those most affected by gender issues. Our groundbreaking book, Oral Testimony of Jamaican Sex Workers, was launched November 2010.
Special thanks to Panos, who helped to collect the testimonies of sex workers across Jamaica so that the wider society can understand why they turned to sex work.
The testimonies provide first-hand information from 16 Jamaican sex workers.
The exploitative conditions under which they work is horrendous, and some of it is sanctioned at the very highest levels.
We train journalists to build their capacity to report on the issues we focus on, and also award fellowships to journalists in the region to do in-depth reporting on various development issues from international conferences or in the countries where they live. Panos Caribbean has for a number of years sponsored the Excellence in Gender Reporting Regional Award in the Pan American Health Organization's annual Regional Media Awards. Panos Caribbean is committed to development by empowering the people of the region to take action. We provide on-the-job training for young development professionals who want to gain experience in development, communication, and advocacy. We also provide training through our volunteer program. Panos Caribbean continues to be the means through which the marginalized, underrepresented, overlooked, and vulnerable groups within the Caribbean receive training and representation. The media serves as a core vehicle that drives our activities. We help people understand their problems, train them to better express themselves, which leads them to finding solutions, effecting change.
When we allow abuse of one population, the door is automatically open for abuse of several other populations.
Panos Caribbean, real people, real voices.